Hey guys, got another really killer build that we just finished up for you here. 4-axle heavy haul. Nice to shoot this video inside, but unfortunately it's rain and snow and wintertime nastiness outside. And this truck is filthy. It was filthy when we started working on it, and between all the shop dust and being delivered in the rain, and it got delivered in the rain and the snow, so I apologize. It kills me that it's this dirty, but it's got to be in Joplin tomorrow. I'm pretty sure it's going to the vinyl shop in Joplin, so we'll walk around and talk about it. Just please excuse me for it being so dirty. But this is a 2020. This might be my last custom build 2020. The 2021, some of them are showing up, and I've got plenty on the way. But anyway, it's a extended hood 2020 389. 300-inch wheelbase, 20,000 pound front axle, 20,000 pound non-steerable lift axle with duals, 46,000 pound rears on air track suspension, 11R24s on the rear, big 4 1/4s on the front. Just got through installing these custom Hogue-built fenders. Lots of little details on this one. Custom Peterbilt flaps. Of course, all custom brackets. Smoked the factory tail lights. And instead of having a reflector, did a really nice Phoenix smoked light in the corners. Looks super sharp, especially when it's lit up. Peterbilt Holland FW70. That's the big boy fifth wheel. Kind of the staple in the heavy haul side. 60-inch slide. You know, it's outboard mounted. These big ones are. Usually, you see these bolts on the inside, but for the big stuff, it's got to be on the outside. All bolted components. No hooks in the frame. Custom flush mount deck plate. We did the. That's the air and electric box that you see us use a lot. See, it's got the dual 7-ways, smoke lights in that. Regulator for the lift axle out here also. Smoke the rear cab lights. Factory tinted rear window. Can't tell in here, might just get a hint of it. This truck is legendary black. That real heavy gold flake, just a beautiful color. Built quite a few trucks that color, but it's just such an iconic color already. It's been very popular. You'll notice the frame rails on this much thicker than an average truck, or much taller. They're 11 5/8. They're 3/8 thick, full liner, front to rear. Rear ends are 391s. Again, like I said, it was air track suspension. Painted the tanks. Our custom Phoenix 6-inch drop panels with the button lights all on the bottom side. Factory harness on everything. You know, it's all plug and play. The way we're trimming these out on the rear now, they used to stop right here and taper up. But we've worked with Phoenix and we've got that curve going. Matches the fuel tank real nice. Just try and keep it all about the details. Of course, it's got premium sound. There's your subwoofer, amplifier. It's got the Sahara tan platinum interior. We'll take a peek in there. Polished covering cap on the def tank. Stayed with the factory exhaust, chrome elbows. Went with the old school style shrouds. 7 inches on top, miter cut. Window chops to match the visor. Nice clean line. Again, sorry for it not being detailed. It's killing me, but I don't have a choice. This truck's leaving in like 30 minutes. Went with the old school air cleaners, chrome tops. Complements the Old school shrouds on the exhaust, pretty nice. I think it gives it a neat look. Painted the air tank legendary black, put the custom straps on it. This truck has 3 batteries. That lets us put the disconnect right there on the outside. Keeps it nice and clean, versus when there's 4, you got to put it on that big bracket and it just doesn't look very nice. And being a flat top, 3 batteries is plenty. Smooth box cover sides on both. 109-inch wide mirrors. Not a lot of people know, but you can put a there's an option for a wider mirror, and for the oversized heavy haul guys, it's kind of a must. Custom mounts with smoked LEDs, marker lights, turn signals hanging under the mirror. I think they look really sharp. Again, the Phoenix panels up here too, with the button lights on, down glow button lights. Big bad boy Michelin's, 20,000 pound front axle. A lot of my trucks you see us do the 20-inch bumper. This is a 22 tapered to a 20. Pretty awesome look. First time I put one of those on a truck this size. And it's got the bumper lift kit. It's hard to see in here, but it's got the switch on the dash. You know, it flips up, even though this thing's got a lot of ground clearance. Where this truck goes sometimes, that little extra lift could be the difference between tearing something up and not. Front fender guards with the Peterbilt logo in them. True LED headlights. Those guys are going to that, and for guys like me that are blind at night, those are fantastic. 14-inch visor, 15 smoked LED roof lights. Once this thing gets out and detailed and lettered up, I'll get a bunch of pictures from the owner, and I'll post them on my Facebook page. Matching smooth box cover on this side. Same underlights. Split tank, hydraulic. It's got a pump, PTO, all that good stuff on it. Painted legendary black. 150-gallon tank, 50 degrees of hydraulic in the front. Good shot of the drop fenders here, especially on the lift axle. When the axle's down, fenders are stationary. Just a nice clean line, the way the top of this fender follows the top of this fender. Owner dictated all that. It's his vision. Came out perfect. Cummins X15, 605 horsepower, 2,050 foot-pounds of torque. The absolute necessary Davco fuel filter. For you guys struggling with those pack car filters, shoot me a message. Currently, until pack car changes their program, I'm absolutely not putting pack car filters on anything. Davcos are just a few dollars more, and they're so much easier. Not having any issues. So definitely the way to go. Disc brakes up here. 20,000 pound springs, dual TRW steering boxes. This has the double capacity 37.4 CFM air compressor on it. The entire truck, this truck has the Smart Sound insulation package. It's absolutely the best insulation package you can put in it. Really nice in the winter, keeps you warm, but especially with a black truck, keeps it cool on the inside. That's where I think the money for that little option really comes in handy. Like I said earlier, Sahara tan platinum interior, Atlas 80 series leather seats, train horn, all rosewood dash, full gauges with the navigation, factory PTO switch, factory lift axle switch, dual lockers, all that good stuff. This is the second truck I've done for this customer. First truck was fairly similar to excuse me, to this, and really nailed it on the second one. Definitely one of the nicest heavy hauls we've ever put together. But black carpet, might want to talk about this. This has the 2200 series torque Eaton Ultrashift. So it's the same 18 speed that I normally put behind an X15, except this one's the 2200 torque, which is also an option in a manual, but this one is the Ultrashift version. Very cool. And have all the pump PTO controls mounted to the side. Very clean. Typical 72-inch flat top layout, platinum interior, closet, workstation. Oh man, it's hard to see. But I wish you could see it better. Iowa Customs refrigerator. Hey, there we go. With their new combination microwave above it. Trying to see it better. I'll get you guys some better pictures of one of these. But anyway, it's just their the Iowa Customs comes in the cabinet, closet slides out, this deal slides in. I know you can't see it, but there's a drawer. There's a drawer down here, soft closing drawer. Then here's all our controls from the sleeper. But yeah, even though it's the dirtiest truck I've ever filmed, wanted you to take a peek at it. It's a pretty mean machine. Great looking truck. Glad to be a part of it. And it's just fun that we get to do this for a living, and glad to get him on the road. Took a few days longer than it should have, but that's the way trucking goes. But we will get some updated pictures of this on the website, or on Peterbilt Steve on Facebook, and we'll just kind of go from there. But if you got any questions about this truck, any of these options that you saw, heavy hauls, 2021 Peterbilts, I've got hundreds of build slots right now, building in a very short time frame, about 6 weeks. I have the order board reserved up really nice, so if you need something in a hurry, I can help you out there. Call me, text me, 918-808-5638. Always happy to answer any questions, big ones, little ones. It's this stuff's really hard to find information on, so I'm always very eager to help. If you want to look at some of my past projects, go check out peterbiltsteve.com, and hopefully get this video and some pictures put up there also pretty soon. But appreciate you guys. See you on the next one, and we'll see you then. Thanks.